The opening of the Zehnder Academy here in Camberley marks a positive step forward in the UK HVAC sector. Building on the success of Zehnder's academies internationally and our mission to educate and upskill across Europe, this new facility has been created to upskill the UK workforce and support the delivery of healthy, well-performing buildings. This isn't a product showcase. The Zehnder Academy is a learning environment designed to develop broad, transferable understanding of ventilation and indoor climate principles that can be applied across projects, sectors and applications. Training is designed to show how ventilation behaves in real buildings, how it interacts with other building services, and how decisions made during design, installation, commissioning and maintenance can affect the long-term performance of a building.
At the heart of Zehnder Academy is Flat 51, a fully functional apartment that truly sets the facility apart. Complete with working heating, plumbing and ventilation systems, including a kitchen, shower room and living space, it provides a realistic environment to explore ventilation and thermal comfort in everyday use. Here, participants can work through real-world scenarios such as moisture control, airflow balance, commissioning challenges and fault finding in occupied spaces. This living context allows theory to be tested, questioned and understood in a way few training environments can offer. The Zehnder Academy as a whole includes practical training rigs, working systems, classroom areas and demonstration zones that reflect real installation environments. Everything you see here has been chosen to support learning by doing.
By offering both the breadth and depth of training needed to develop real capability, it will help address the ventilation skills gap, now and in the future, for installers, commissioning engineers, maintenance teams and a new talent for entering the industry. Initial modules will cover key areas including ventilation planning, installation, commissioning, maintenance and fundamentals of indoor air quality and thermal comfort, with further courses to be released as the programme continues to expand. As an industry, we've invested heavily in product innovation, but now we need to invest just as seriously in people, because no matter how advanced the system, its performance still depends on the knowledge and capability of the person installing and maintaining it.